CompTIA A Core 2 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 4.10 Explain basic concepts related to artificial intelligence. As we wrap up our training course, we arrive at one of the newest topics added to the CompTIA A Core 2 exam objectives: artificial intelligence, commonly abbreviated as AI. AI has rapidly become part of everyday technology, showing up in search engines, chatbots, writing assistants, image generators, customer service systems, security tools, and countless business applications. While AI can dramatically improve productivity and automation, it also introduces important concerns surrounding accuracy, privacy, security, and appropriate use. So, let's finish strong by exploring some of the basic AI concepts every modern IT professional should understand. Let's begin with application integration. AI is increasingly being integrated directly into existing applications and services. Rather than existing as a completely separate tool, AI is often embedded into software users already interact with every day. For example, email applications may use AI to help draft messages, office software may summarize documents or generate presentations, and customer support platforms may use AI chatbots to answer common questions automatically. In cybersecurity, AI may help identify suspicious network activity or detect malware patterns faster than traditional methods alone. Search engines use AI to improve search results, while video conferencing platforms may use AI for live captions, background noise reduction, or meeting summaries. In many cases, users may not even realize AI is operating behind the scenes. It has quietly become part of the tools and workflows organizations already depend on. Of course, just because AI can do something does not always mean it should. This is where AI-related policies become important. Organizations often establish policies that define the appropriate use of AI systems in the workplace. These policies help employees understand what types of information can safely be entered into AI tools, how AI-generated content may be used, and where human oversight is still required. One major concern involves plagiarism. AI systems can generate text, images, code, or other content very quickly, but presenting AI-generated work as entirely original human work may violate company policies, academic integrity rules, or copyright guidelines. For example, copying AI-generated content directly into a school assignment, report, or professional document without review or attribution could create ethical or legal concerns. AI can certainly assist with productivity, but users are still responsible for reviewing, validating, and properly using the output it generates. This brings us to some of the major limitations of AI systems. Despite how impressive AI can appear, it is far from perfect. One limitation is bias. AI systems learn from training data, and if the training data contains bias, the AI may unintentionally produce biased or unfair results. For example, an AI hiring system trained on flawed historical data could potentially favor certain groups unfairly while disadvantaging others. In many ways, AI can inherit the strengths and weaknesses of the data it learns from. Another important limitation is hallucinations. In the context of AI, a hallucination occurs when the AI generates false, misleading, or completely fabricated information while presenting it confidently as if it were accurate. For example, an AI system might invent facts, create fake citations, misstate technical information, or provide instructions that sound convincing but are completely incorrect. This is why blindly trusting AI output without verification can be dangerous, especially in technical, medical, legal, or security-related situations. Just because the AI sounds confident does not mean it is correct. Even AI has moments where it confidently explains something that belongs in a science fiction movie instead of reality. Closely related to hallucinations is the issue of accuracy. AI-generated responses are only as reliable as the data, training, and context available to the system. AI can sometimes provide outdated information, misunderstand questions, or oversimplify complex topics. Because of this, AI should often be treated as an assistant rather than a replacement for human judgment. IT professionals should verify important information, cross-check critical recommendations, and avoid assuming AI-generated output is automatically trustworthy. Finally, let's talk about private versus public AI systems, which introduces important concerns surrounding data security, data sources, and data privacy. As the diagram behind me illustrates, public AI and private AI differ significantly in how they handle information and where that information comes from. Public AI systems are generally accessible over the internet and often rely on massive, uncontrolled data sources gathered from across the web. These systems typically operate using shared cloud-based infrastructure and may process prompts and interactions across large public datasets. While public AI tools are incredibly convenient and powerful, users must be very careful about what information they submit. Sensitive company information, customer data, passwords, financial records, proprietary code, or confidential documents should generally never be entered into public AI systems unless explicitly approved by organizational policy. Once sensitive data leaves your organization and enters a public AI platform, you may lose visibility and control over how that data is stored, processed, or used. Private AI systems, on the other hand, are typically built specifically for an organization and operate with far stricter controls surrounding security, customization, and compliance. Rather than relying heavily on uncontrolled public data sources, private AI systems may be trained using internal company knowledge, workforce experiences, documentation, and approved organizational data sources. This allows organizations to maintain greater control over how information is stored, processed, and protected while also tailoring the AI system to their own operational needs. Private AI environments are often designed with stronger data security measures, stricter access controls, and compliance requirements in mind. Organizations may choose private AI solutions specifically to reduce privacy risks, protect intellectual property, and comply with regulatory requirements surrounding sensitive information. Data sources themselves also play a critical role in AI reliability and trustworthiness. AI systems learn from enormous datasets, and the quality of those datasets directly impacts the accuracy, bias, and reliability of the results generated. Understanding where AI training data originates helps organizations evaluate whether the system may contain biased information, unreliable content, or legal and privacy concerns. After all, if questionable information goes into the AI system, questionable information is probably coming right back out. And with that, you have officially reached the end of this CompTIA A Core 2 training course. From operating systems and security concepts to troubleshooting, operational procedures, and now artificial intelligence, you have covered an enormous amount of material. At this point, the majority of the learning is behind you. Now it becomes about review, practice, repetition, and building confidence for exam day. Keep pushing forward, stay consistent with your studies, and remember, every IT professional started exactly where you are now, learning one concept at a time. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.